Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add Reels to interested content. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. It's important to ask that you feel good about the time you spend on Instagram. So Instagram always working on ways to give you more control over what you see on Instagram. So if you find something interested in your Instagram reels and you want to see more about that content, you can add that content, that type of content to your interested content. So Instagram will give you more suggested content like that post. So how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just scrolling to your reels like this. If there's interested content that you like, you can just tap on the three dots here. I'll choose this reel for the example. Now there is an option, pop-up option appear on your screen like this. You can see there is an option interested. You can tap on that. So that type of content will be added to your interested content list. You can add more than one. You can add more a lot of interested content on your interested list on Instagram. I will add some more again. And you can see all this content. You can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the up right corner here. You can scroll down. You can tap on suggested content. Tap on interested. And here's all the interested content on your Instagram. These are posts that you said you were interested in the past 30 days. When a post is removed from this list, you may see viewer suggested posts like it on Instagram. So that is how to add reels to your interested content. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!